free Shavagadu. It's currently like 33 degrees outside. I'm dying. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today's video is going to be another fun video where I am talking about the 5 pains of working in retail. Because I currently work in retail and I have worked in retail for many years, and I have experienced a wide range of customers, from the good, the bad and the ugly.
Top 5 things I find annoying working in
retail. One woman show with me playing multiple characters. When this video is up, please send this to the Academy, the Golden Globes and the Emmys and get me a nomination, because this shit is worth it. Yeah, so if you kind of like these funny videos, then keep on watching. This is top 5 things which I find annoying. This isn't in any particular order, but my number one thing, well, my first thing I find annoying about retail is when you have beautifully put back clothing in a orderly fashion. So you've folded, made sure there's no creases, made sure everything is spaced out accurately and spaced out evenly, and then you get this one customer who's like, fuck you, and destroys your work and just smiles smugly about it. Or they're in the changing room and they just throw it on the floor, and it just, you know, there's just no respect there. There's no respect for the clothes, and you need to
respect the clothes, because if you don't respect the clothes, you don't respect me.
The second thing I find very annoying about working in retail is customers telling me their whole life story, or telling me these dad jokes where you have to do that really fake laugh. I just can't. Just to let you know, with these 2 items, it's with all sale items, it's 7-day return policy. Is that alright? Oh, that's perfect. Oh, it's so nice outside, isn't it? Me and my daughter Arabella, we're going to the park. Ah, yes, it's so nice. Arabella loves the park. Oh, that's lovely. We always go to the park on a Saturday, actually. It's really lovely. Yeah, it is a lovely day today, isn't it? We go on the swings. That's Arabella's favourite. We love the swings. Me personally, when I was a little girl, I always liked... Sorry, it just seems to not want to scan today. Does that mean I get it for free? After we'd get the ice cream, but before we went to the park, we would go to the local pub, and my mum would actually get a glass of wine, and then because I was only young, she would get me a bottle of Prosecco and a vodka on the side. You know, that's the kind of drinks you have when you're a little girl, you know.
2,000 years later.
What's your favourite dinosaur? My favourite what? Mine's a T-Rex, you see. Like, I really like their tiny arms, because like I have really tiny arms, so like relatable girls, you know what I mean? And like prehistoric age, you didn't have to worry about how many Instagram followers you had, and because everybody's posting pictures of their salads and like trying to be all healthy, you know, like I'm trying to be all healthy. Like my favourite vegetable is probably like asparagus. Like, what's your favourite veg? It's like, I don't need to hear your life story. Like, I don't need it in my life. So my number 3 thing I find really annoying is when people or customers kind of dictate that I don't know what I'm doing. So I will, for example, say something and then they'll be like, is your manager around? So that'll be £50 altogether, please. No, that's not right. That's not right. I'll double check the label. Yeah, it says £50 on it. I got it from the sale rack and the sale says 50% off. That price is not 50%, it should be way lower. Well, sometimes people move all our items, so sometimes we get full price items on sales, but if it's not written on the tag, then it's not on sale, unfortunately. But it was still on the sale rack. That means it's in the sale. I can't believe I'm hearing this. I can't believe I'm hearing this. On my daughter's birthday, I'm hearing this. Can I speak to a manager, please? My manager? Sure. Let me go get my manager. Hi, I'm the manager. What seems to be the problem? Hi, I got this item from the sale rack. It means that because it's in the sale rack, it should be in the sale. Well, with sale items, you see, people are always moving them everywhere, so we do get a few odd items which are in the sale rack, but they're currently not in sale. They're full price. People keep moving them around and we try and put them back where they are, but it does get quite a lot, especially when it's really busy. I'm so sorry about that. But yeah, this isn't in the sale, unfortunately. Oh, okay, I totally understand it. Totally understand you, not her, but you, because you're an authoritative figure, and although she said the same thing, I trust you way more. Is that alright? Okay, hope you have a lovely day. Thank you, have a great day. Not you, you can have a shit day. I'm like, okay. My number 4 thing I heavily dislike about working retail is when customers get angry, patronizing, and they are like,
it's not good enough.
Hi, my watch is broken and I blame you. My boyfriend bought this for my birthday because it was not only my birthday, but it was my daughter's graduation from kindergarten day, and it's broken. The watch, which my boyfriend spent 120 quid on, is broken and I blame you. So what happened to the watch? Well, I did go swimming with the watch because I assume all watches are waterproof. With these watches, they're not waterproof. At the back of the watch, they say water resistant to only a certain kind of altitude. So with this watch, you're not supposed to shower with it. It's only splash proof, which my colleague would have told you at the time when she sold it to you. Well, at the back it says water resistant, so that basically means waterproof. Well, now there's loads of water bubbles in there, and that's not okay, and I blame you. Because I haven't done anything wrong, it's all your fault. You didn't tell me that. I just have to relax, take a deep breath, think about the money. Because the money is the only reason And the last thing I hate about working in retail is the music. The music. Especially around Christmas time, when it's the same 10 songs on repeat every single
day.
Can get a bit frustrating at times.
Oh my god, guys! It's Christmas music! Oh my god, it just feels so festive. I just can't wait till Christmas starts. Oh my god, I adore this song so much. Yay!
Please make it. Please, someone make make it stop. Please, someone make it stop. Please, I can't. My ears can't take it. My ears can't take it. My ears can't take it. My ears can't take it.
Yeah, so if you like this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe, and check out my other video, which is linked in the description box below, which is extremely relatable to this current weather condition we are in. Things I hate about summer. Also make sure to check out my other videos on my channel as well, and follow my Instagram and Twitter. They are great places, go check them out. Yeah, so guys, make sure to drink loads of water, put on that factor 50. If you don't get a tan, who cares? Love your skin, girl, love your skin. Yeah, so I hope you guys are having a great week, very hot week, and I will see you soon. Bye.